Meet Chris, a hardworking professional, motivated, focused, ready to conquer the day as soon as he finishes watching this video of a squirrel doing backflips. Ah, yes, the blank document, a modern-day battlefield. Chris is determined to fill it with brilliance. But first, a quick check of email. One might call this getting organized. Others call it what it truly is: professional-grade procrastination. Baking during work hours, a classic technique, because nothing says deadline like preheating an oven at 10:42 a.m. Let's be honest, Chris isn't avoiding work, just waiting for the perfect moment to begin, like when the stars align, or when Mercury is no longer in retrograde. And now the plot twist: urgency, the great motivator of professionals everywhere. Fueled by caffeine, regret, and the sheer power of adrenaline, Chris enters what scientists refer to as the deadline zone. 3 minutes to spare, a miracle of modern willpower. The report is in, the day is saved. And just like that, we begin again tomorrow. This has been your guide to the timeless art of doing everything except the thing you're supposed to be doing.